Bariatric surgery in the past has been a complicated procedure. We are now finding ways to do them in safer ways. We're a center of excellence here at Westlake Hospital. We've had all of our outcomes studied and we're getting very good results. Patients stay in the hospital, sometimes just in one day they go home, and the longest usually you stay in the hospital is 3 days. So it's a 0 day to 3 day stay in the hospital to get weight loss surgery and change your life.
The recovery was just easy, and even going home, I controlled what small discomfort I had. I was able to control it with children's chewable Motrin. I remember just having chewable children's Motrin to relieve that small discomfort I had, and it was just soreness. I was only there for overnight stay. I went home the next day after my surgery. And even when I got home that same day, that evening, I got calls from the doctor. I got calls from the surgeon. I got calls from everyone from the bariatric center. And even that the whole first 3 weeks home recovering, I got a phone call just every other day. What are you doing to relieve the pain? How you feel? Is there anything we can do to help? They were very helpful. And I love that. It didn't stop. My care didn't stop the day after my surgery. Truth of the matter was, that's really when it all began. So this is like a lifetime membership that I've gotten, and I love that because I can call them anytime with any question or concern, even the nutritionist. If I get stumped, because now I prepare so many different meals and I'm constantly tweaking my meals, I will even call her. Yeah, what can I eat, instead of having red meat? What else can I have? What's another form of protein besides chicken and fish? And I was surprised of some of the, vegetables and some of the things that we eat have protein that I didn't know. And she even told me about it, and I implemented that in my daily diet.